You've identified your diabetic population. You've personalized the wellness strategy for them, opting to use the medical carrier's diabetes control program. But before you check diabetes management off your list, consider this. Every 30 seconds, someone is being diagnosed with diabetes. In less than 10 years, 1 in 3 Americans will be living with diabetes. With costs and the number of diabetics growing at an alarming rate, the time to mitigate your risk and bend the cost curve is now. Unfortunately, traditional methods have no real-time visibility into a diabetic's health and wellness. Now, why should this matter to you? Well, with no visibility into their daily health, there's no way to monitor their condition. And without monitoring, there's no way to know if someone needs help before their situation becomes critical and requires medical intervention either through the ER or patient hospital stay. Until now, diabetes monitoring was largely based on self-reporting, which can be, let's face it, unreliable. But that's about to change. RealTimeHealth's revolutionary diabetes monitoring program provides diabetics, clinicians, and other designated caregivers real-time awareness into their glucose management. That means if your spouse, for example, isn't testing as often as he should, you'll know. And if his test results exceed a certain threshold, you'll be alerted. So will the staff at the 24/7 Care Center, who are trained to triage participants and, if necessary, contact emergency personnel. It's a network of support that can keep diabetics on track and out of the hospital. How does it work? It's actually very simple. Eligible members will be notified of the program, and if they don't opt out, they'll receive their welcome kit. After an initial call to walk them through the setup, the member is off and tested. Every test result is wirelessly transmitted to a secure database. Results are viewable in a user-friendly format that shows at a glance how compliant the participant has been and their testing results over time. There is no cost to the participant, and supplies are automatically renewed as needed. And when we say as needed, we mean literally. Each test strip is monitored, so if a participant hasn't been using it, they won't be getting more. It's one more way we can help control your costs. And speaking of costs, your investment will pay off. In addition to the drop in ER visits and inpatient hospitalizations, studies have shown a 76% reduction in eye disease, a 60% reduction in nerve disease, a 57% reduction in non-fatal heart attacks, stroke, or death from cardiovascular causes, a 50% reduction in kidney disease, and here's one more statistic. Did you know that 80% of all claims over $250,000 involve a diabetic? No doubt about it, diabetes is a dangerous condition, but with proper management, complications and costs can be measurably controlled. Proper management starts with testing. It's as simple as that. For more information about this program, contact RealTimeHealth today.